I'm showing you the graph of a function y equals f of x. And what we first want to do is determine whether the function f is increasing on the interval -8, -2. The answer is that yes, it is increasing on -8, -2, because as we look at the graph between x is -8 and x is -2, as x increases, so does y. Next, we want to determine if f is increasing on the interval 2, 10. Well, between x is 2 and x is 10, we can see that the function initially decreases and then begins to increase. So the answer to that question is no, the function is not increasing on the interval 2, 10. Next, we want to list the intervals on which f is increasing. So as we look at the graph of the function, we see that starting at the point -8, -4 and continuing to the point -2, 6, the function is increasing. Therefore, the function is increasing on the interval -8, -2. Continuing along, we see that the function is also increasing between x is 0 and x is 2, and so we indicate that by saying that the function is increasing on the interval 0, 2. Finally, we see that the function is increasing for all x bigger than 5, which we represent by the interval 5, infinity. So the function is increasing on -8, -2, 0, 2, 5, infinity. We're now going to look at the graph of a function and, based upon the graph, determine where the function is increasing, where it's decreasing, and where it's constant. First, we'll look at where this function is increasing. We can see that the function is increasing from the point -2, 0 to 0, 3, and it's also increasing from the point 2, 0 to 4, 2. We say that the function is increasing on the interval -2, 0 and increasing on the interval 2, 4. Now, if we look at where the function is decreasing, we can see the function is decreasing from -4, 2 to -2, 0, and it's also decreasing from 0, 3 to 2, 0. So the function is decreasing on the interval -4, -2, or on the interval 0, 2. Nowhere is the function constant. It is key that you understand that when we're describing where a function is increasing and where it's decreasing, that we do it in terms of the x values. Do not say that the function is increasing from one ordered pair to another.